Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on the 6.0 manual swap today. I've got this guy pretty much ready to go in, so. I also just now bolted the clutch on. Forgot to video that for you guys. Make sure you get some brake cleaner and go over the flywheel first. You want that really nice and clean. And now we're actually cutting a hole into the floorboard. I'm gonna grab a grinder, make my cuts, because this tower has to come through the floorboard so that we can shift. Let the smoke air out of there. I think I'm actually gonna cut up and out a little bit more here. My boot is gonna cover plenty of room, so I'm not worried about that. Alrighty, that looks good. Let's clean up some tools and let's throw the transmission in. Go ahead and get my Allen key and pull the shift tower off. I'm just gonna stuff these down here. Keep the trash from getting in there. This will make it a lot easier when putting it under here, because the top of the tower won't be scraping the truck, and then getting it up and in. That'll make it a lot easier as well. Alrighty guys, we got it under the truck, push it into place. There's a clutch. From here I get a little redneck. I get 2 ratchet straps, put them to each framing member, strap it underneath of it, lift it up. That's when I bring my transmission jack in, and then lift the whole thing and press it against the engine into place. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please leave a thumbs up if you like these videos.